Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful marketing tools out there, YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment, but also a place for businesses to reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about YouTube marketing, from how it works to how you can create a successful YouTube marketing strategy. Part 1. Why YouTube marketing works. The first thing to understand about YouTube marketing is why it works. Here are a few reasons. Video content is more engaging than text or images. YouTube has a huge user base with millions of viewers every day. YouTube offers a variety of ad formats to suit different business goals. YouTube's targeting options are incredibly precise, allowing you to reach your ideal audience. Part 2. Types of YouTube marketing. Now that you know why YouTube marketing works, let's talk about the different types of marketing you can do on the platform. There are a few key options. Organic content, creating your own videos to share on your channel. Paid advertising, running ads on YouTube to promote your business. Influencer marketing, partnering with YouTube influencers to promote your products or services. Part 3. How to create a successful YouTube marketing strategy. To create a successful YouTube marketing strategy, there are a few steps to follow. Set clear goals for your campaign. Identify your target audience. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Optimize your videos for search and discovery. Use YouTube's targeting options to reach your ideal audience. Measure your results and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, YouTube marketing is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. By understanding how it works and following a few key steps, you can create a successful YouTube marketing strategy that drives results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.